guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make bread pudding, which is one of my favorite desserts, very easily at your home. So before starting this video, I would like to introduce my new logo to all of you guys. Comment down below how is it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes every Sunday, and give this video a big thumbs up. And now let's get started. So to make the bread pudding, you require 4 breads cut into pieces, 2 cups of milk, 5 plus 5 tablespoons of sugar, then 5 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Take the breads, eggs, vanilla essence, milk and 5 tablespoons of sugar in a mixer jar. Blend it together for 1 to 2 minutes till the mixture is smooth. Make sure that your batter is smooth without any lumps. Take the remaining 5 tablespoons of sugar in a 7-inch round baking tin. Caramelize the sugar as shown in the video.
Here we go.
When it turns light brown, switch off the gas. Let it cool completely, then add the pudding batter into the tin. Tap it on the counter to prevent any air bubbles. Bake the pudding in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your pudding is out of the oven, let it cool completely and then refrigerate it for about an hour, which makes it a little firm and makes it easier to demould it. Run a knife to the edges of the tin and demould the pudding. Here, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be, or you can even send me the pictures of your pudding on Instagram. I would love to see it. The link of my Instagram account is given below in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video.